bro, you're a sick cunt, eh?
Oh!
Shit, bro.
Oh,
That's
damn.
a banger. Look at that.
Oh, damn.
Hey, what the fuck is going on, guys? So in today's POV video, I run up with Zephan. Zephan is also a street photographer, so we did a little photo walk together. It was actually a great fun. So yeah, grab a snack, you know, grab a beer, make yourself feel comfortable, and enjoy the video.
Nice photo location. Hey bro. Hey bro. You photographer?
Yeah.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Oh, you
doing?
recording
Yeah.
You do YouTube?
Hey?
You do YouTube?
What do you mean?
Like, do you YouTube?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
You?
I want to try and get into it.
Yeah. Try it, bro. It's fucking fun. What's your thing?
Zephan, Z-E-P-H-A-N.
Z-E-P-H.
A-N.
A-N.
Yeah, A-N. And then
Zephan.
underscore. Yeah.
No.
Smith.
Smith, bro. You American?
Nah. And then underscore again.
Oh, this one, yeah.
Yeah.
I got you, bro.
Oh.
Bro, you gotta do more, bro. You get 7
listen,
posts,
hear
man.
me out, yeah?
Yeah,
I had another photography
I'm listening,
account.
yeah?
I had another photography account, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
And like someone hacked into it.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, and like
Wow.
that's all gone.
That sucked, bro.
Yeah, and they're promoting some sort of Bitcoin thing on it. It's really, really annoying.
Oh, yeah, I know that was one.
Yes. Why would I do that? I have like no photography. I've got a couple, but it's like they're all busy with their own things.
Oh, yeah.
Like I've got this one kid.
You got a mate who's doing this as well?
Photography?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot his Instagram account, but he actually does like professional stuff.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, he's really good, and he's like 15.
50 years old.
He's 15, yeah.
Fuck. Have you done long exposure before?
Long exposure, yeah, I've done that. I've got a couple of
I like to take a long exposure. You know, when you go to Elizabeth Key, there's like fucking like a reflection there.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's sick,
always
eh?
sick. That's always sick. Because I've got another camera in my bag, yeah.
Yeah. What is that?
D7000.
Is that Nikon as well?
Nikon as well, yeah. Not that one. And I wanted to do the multiple exposures on that one,
Yeah.
but I think it's just too dark now. Because I wanted to do it down at Elizabeth Key as well.
Yeah. It's so easy. Look at this guy here. You want to go here? Let's go. So what time did you start?
Probably around 5.
5. I came here like 6, bro.
Less nerdy ones, but
Less nerdy?
Yeah.
What do you guys take photos of?
We're just doing like street photography, bro.
Oh right. Do you
Yeah.
take photos of cars and shit then?
Yeah, I do.
I can do
Fuck,
cars,
that's-
yeah.
You do
Yeah.
cars as well.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
fucking sick, boys.
Just like whatever.
Like,
Yeah, right now we're doing like just whatever comes up. Yeah.
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 Whatever. Like when you walk in like this, you just
Yeah.
like whatever comes
Yeah.
up, you know.
Oh, yeah.
six shots or shit. Like.
Yeah.
Do you take
shit.
photos of people, something like you just ask them, or
Bro,
just
you
walk straight
when you're in
to
pub, when you're in public, you don't need to ask, bro.
them? Oh yeah.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. No.
Is anyone like have
There's
you
a
taken
lot.
a photo of anyone and they've like been like, "Oi,
Someone,
whoa."
yeah.
Yeah.
You have that, but when they say that, oh, you can't take a photo of me, then you can delete
You're
it.
right,
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
right to do it. Yeah.
But you-
What
when
cars
you-
you taking photos of?
So far my cousin's Skyline R34.
Shit,
Oh, I can
bro.
laugh at
That's
34, that's
fucking
sick, man. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
that's the bomb, mate.
Yeah, that's yeah.
That's expensive these days, though.
Yeah, exactly.
Fucking
Yeah.
I'm
Him and his
35.
friends
I'm
will
34.
take photos of all their Skylines.
Yeah, right. That's so sick. Car photography is fucking sick. I love that shit.
That's what I do too. Street and cars. That's what I do.
Oh, yeah.
Just do. Yeah.
Do you always film with this camera and shit?
Yeah.
That's sick, man.
See, you're there, bro. Say hi. You're there
That's
too,
so
bro. Yeah.
sick. Yeah.
Where are you guys heading to?
Oh, we're just going like, I was trying to find a mate.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nah, but-
Maybe he's
yeah.
fucked up, bro. Maybe he's
Yeah,
drunk.
sorry.
You gotta find him, bro.
Yeah.
You guys have a good night, eh?
Good chat. You too,
Yeah,
man.
see you, mate. Two lady here, bro. Just do this on the side. Yeah. See? Like you don't need to ask, just like pretend that you're not taking a photo of them, bro. That's a technique, bro. Like you just stay
I
there.
know what you're talking about.
You just stay there and just like pretend that, oh shit. Yeah. So dark, eh? See that? There's like people there, bro. I'll take a photo of you later if you want, bro. Like that. Stay like that. Oh fuck, you're too close to me, eh? You want to stand over there, bro?
Other side of the bridge or?
No, just there. Yeah, it's fucking sick, bro. Close to me, bro. I'll do like close-up shots too. I'll pass it on to your Instagram, mate.
Yeah, easy.
Sit, bro. Fuck. Sick. You want to pull out your camera so you can have a profile picture? No, just like up in the air, yeah, like that. Sick, bro. Fuck. Look at this, bro.
How long is this place here, mate?
Sick.
Nice.
Bro, if you want to stand over that corner there, I'll take a photo of you, right? Just there, just like below those lights. Sorry, bro, you want to go here? 3, 2, 1. Fuck. You could be the next Australia top model, bro. I swear.
You know what you need?
Bro, this is like if you stand over here, it's just like this is a sick one, bro. You want to stand over here?
Give it a go.
Yeah, I'll give it a go. Fuck yeah. Yes, that's it, bro. 3, 2, 1. I'll go closer. 3, 2, 1. Fuck.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Bro, I'll send it to you, bro.
Yes. Yes.
You'll be like, master. Nah, I'm straight. Can we take a photo of you here?
We'll give it a go.
Give it a go, bro.
Let's see how it looks.
Let's like try and reflect over here, eh? Oh my god, bro, sick. Hang on, bro. Try and do like set this up properly. Oh my god, bro, you're sick. 3, 2, 1. I'll bump up the ISO a bit. Try and like go look over there. That's it. 3, 2, 1. I'll go this way too. Try and see the reflection, eh? You couldn't see your face over here because there's like a bar that's blocking your face. You wanna, if you can sit down, bro, try it. Oh! Look over there. Landscape. Cinematic shit, bro. 3, 2, 1. Fuck yeah. Bro, you're a sick cunt, eh?
Oh!
Shit, bro.
Oh,
That's
damn.
a banger. Look at that.
Oh, damn.
Bro,
Bro, he would love this. He
That's
would love
so
this.
sick, bro.
Bro, this.
I wish there's no bar though.
Yeah.
Fuck. You go wide. Intake. I got a decent one, eh? Look. So bright, eh? Oh shit. Probably F14.
What do you want me to grab?
You need to stay over there in defense. Let this for later.
On the fence?
Fucking yeah, later.
Alright, then.
For the next maybe next set, you know. You'll be sick, bro. Probably like 2 seconds. Bro, this is 15-second shot, bro. There we go. Oh shit! That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Oh my god, it's moving. It's moving, bro. It's too heavy. Fuck. Hang on, bro. Stay, stay, stay. Oh my god, man. It's moving. Oh, yeah, one more. Stay. Oh my god, bro, it's sick. Stay. That's like five, that's like another 5 shots. Yeah, it's all good, bro. Fuck, it's sick. Stay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sick, bro. It's fucking sick. Bruh. Oh my god. Oh no.
Yes.
That's a banner, bro. Fuck, I swear. Let's go, bro. Are you going this way?
Yeah, I'm going up that way.
I'll see you in the next fucking photo shoot, bro. Anyway, bro. He keeps doing that, this time lapse shit. Anyway, bro, have a good one, eh?
Actually,
Bro.
I never got your name.
Oh my god! Wow!
Kevin.
Kevin. That's easy to remember.
Kevin. Oh,
Yeah.
shit. It's in my Instagram. It says
Oh,
like
okay,
Kevin.
easy, yeah.
But I use a different, like a username on my Instagram, the Polka Project, which is this. That's
Okay.
my shirt here, the Polka.
Oh, you got a...
Yeah,
shirt?
I'll make my own shirt, yeah.
Nice.
You gonna go this way?
Yeah, I'm going up that way.
Have a good one, eh? See you, bro.
See you, bro. See you
Have a good
later.
one, eh?
Ah,
Catch up soon, bro.
thanks, Kev.
Yeah. Zephan.
Yeah.
Sir, yes, sir. I don't.
So, if you like that video, please do subscribe. Help me to grow my channel. Smash that fucking like button. Smash that fucking share button. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.